Hey everyone, wanted to show you guys this water and sand sensory table that we received. It is water resistant wood build. It's very easy to set up. They send you all the pieces and components. You have very sturdy legs that are also protected so they're not going to get scuffed up or scratched. And if you're moving it on concrete, we have it out on the patio, it's not going to get ruined. And the water table itself comes with 2 collapsible bins, so very easy for storage if you want to put it away or wash it. You can just take them out. And then one of the nice features about this set is it comes with a puzzle, a Triceratops puzzle. And so you can build all of the bones for the Triceratops. And if you flip it over, it has a T-Rex build. So you can learn about all of the bones that make up the T-Rex. You can store all your pieces inside of one of the collapsible bins. They also give you instructions on how to build the T-Rex with all of these pieces. And all of these wood pieces are really well constructed, really good solid wood. They're smooth, no sharp, scuffed edges. So that's great because kiddo's not going to get a splinter or anything like that. Also love just the sensory of the board. They can trace it with their fingers, put all the puzzle pieces in there, and this just nicely sets in there. So we'll keep the instructions in that side. Put this on top. And then the other side, you can build this little slide for some marbles. They do provide 2 little toys that you can use for that, or you can grab some marbles like we did, put some water with a fun little cup, and they can do a marble run. They provide this acrylic little wall that can be built on the side, the middle, other side. All you need are the 2 grooves in the wood to screw these little notches onto. So really well constructed. Like I said, these legs also have really good construction, very solid, water resistant, UV resistant right there. Tools provided, great instructions. I think it took us maybe 10 minutes to build all of this. And then they also provide you a rain and UV weather resistant covering to put over the table if you're going to keep it outside so that it doesn't get so dirty and you're just protecting the longevity of your table. So we've been loving this table outside on the patio. Just so much fun. There's so many endless possibilities with these sensory bins. You can fill up with sand, get some of the dino bones and put some sand in the bin. So all kinds of things that you can explore and do with your toddler. And this is a really good height for especially younger toddlers. He's 4, still works great for him. So y'all check this out. Hopefully you like it as much as we have.